Hey, so I'm Steven, Flutter mobile app developer and a computer science student. I just released another mobile app and I'm happy to share with you what it does. So you can go check it out. So this is let me say a utility app, okay? So it's a camera app and what it does is simple. See, sometimes we take images and video that we don't really uh, think of keeping it for a long time. Maybe you went to the shop or you went to the market. You just want to confirm if that's actually what you are supposed to buy. So at that instance, you don't really need to keep that image, but you take that picture, then it end up staying on your phone forever, taking space that is not needed. Okay. So what this mobile app is here to do is that uh, in such scenarios, you can use this mobile app to take the picture. Then you are able to set an expiry date to the date at which you would like the image to disappear from your phone. And one useful feature here is when you take the picture, should I say feature, advantage, when you take a picture with this camera app, you find the image in your gallery, and when the time is due for it to be deleted, it gets deleted from the phone storage. Okay, so the image set on your phone doesn't go anywhere. It's not taken up into the internet, and there's no analytics on this app. It's just pure camera sitting on your mobile phone. All right, so you take pictures that you don't intend to keep them forever. You add expiry date to them. You can see when it's going to expire within the app. Okay. Then you can also start an auto deletion process, which works in the background. So when you set this auto deletion process, when you start it, it's going to run, I think, every 4 hours. So every 4 hours, it will just run. Doesn't take much of a battery. It's very lightweight. You just scan through your pictures, those taken with the mobile app. It only has access to pictures taken by the app. Okay, so it scans through those images and those that are due to be deleted, it takes them off. If you don't want that feature, you can disable it. And whenever you open the app, what it does first is it will first go through your app, the pictures you've taken with the app. Then if there is any expired media, you just delete it before it even show you the remaining ones. Okay. So it is simple. It doesn't take anything from your phone to the internet. It's not sending anything anywhere. It's a pure camera app sitting on your phone, helping you do away with clutters from your storage. So I help you save uh, relevance. Yeah? Might not be much, but at least some small megabytes space is necessary. Okay, so do check it out on Play Store. It's only available on Play Store at the moment. Yeah, so check it out and give me a good review. You can also check uh, me out on YouTube at Flutter with a song. Okay, if you want to learn things concerning Flutter, do check it out there. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.